Hey guys, I have a quick unboxing video. So this just came. This is a reveal and let me show you guys right now what I got. I really like how they attach this kind of star metal. It's really fancy. This is my first time ordering from Dior and I didn't know that their packaging was this nice. I really don't want to destroy the ribbon, so I'm just gonna slide that off. I love their box. And here it is. Nope, more packaging. I mean wrapping paper. I'm so excited, you guys. I haven't purchased an item like this in like years, so I'm so happy to be able to buy one, something that I really like. So this is the dust bag. Nothing here, and now let me really show you guys what I got. So this is the saddle oblique card holder. I don't remember the name, but my mind is kind of blank right now because of how beautiful this item is. And it came with these tags. Oh, there it is. The saddle small canvas card holder. And I chose the blue one. Has this protection right here, and then it's just canvas all throughout. It has a back pocket right here, and then this is what I really like. My real first name starts with a letter D, so I like this detail right here. And then if you open up the wallet, it says Christian Dior, Paris. This is probably the authenticity card. So this wallet is, card holder is quite roomy. There are a lot of card slots, 1, 2, and then one big one. Then there's one here in the front, and then one in the back. So I'm pretty happy about this. I haven't bought a wallet in like 3 years. My first wallet purchase was in 2017, and that's my Gucci card holder. Ever since then, I haven't purchased a wallet. So yeah. I'm really happy about this. I'm really excited. I haven't really drooled over a wallet. I'm gonna cherish this for a really long time because look at that. It's really like a vintage piece. It's so unique. I like the shape. It's very roomy. It will definitely fill my cards that I have every day that I carry with me will definitely fit in here. So for size comparison, this is my current card holder. This one is my Gucci Marmont card holder, which is basically the size of any card holder out there, I believe. So just a side-to-side comparison of how big this is. So the Dior wallet is definitely a little bit bigger, and it is also wider. So, but you can definitely fill this up with a lot of cards. And notice the size difference. Thank you guys for watching this quick unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys found this a little bit helpful if you guys were thinking about buying this card holder slash wallet. And I'll see you guys on my next video.